All right, folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. As promised, it's Sunday, and the Postal Service has delivered a package. So let's check it out. We're gonna, put the smiley face go in there. We're gonna tear it open here, which I've already done. We have a 5-in-1 SIM card adapter. So we're going to try this thing out and see if it's going to fit what I need it to fit. So let's get right to it right after the intro. All right, folks, we're back. This thing slides out of here pretty easily. Now, the question is it child and adult proof? It appears to be neither. It's not even Tim proof. So, hang on a second. We're going to switch the camera. Okay, I'm back. We're going to try to do this on camera. This little insert just sits in there. The packaging holds it together, pushes down on everything, keeps it from flying all over. Holy hell, and it really didn't do that good of a job when I set it back down. Once you get that cover off, things go wherever they want. So here's your little piece and your SIM card. Oh, whoa. That's shaky, isn't it? All right. So you would set this in here like that. And then you're gonna see, this is the rough part because gravity is working against you here. See? I don't know if you can see what happened there. It just fell right out. So we're going to, I'll narrate as I do this, but what you really want to do is get gravity to be on your side and invert this thing like so. Even then, it's not a very, as you can see, it'll just keep popping out of there. This is the second time I've had to shoot this, so you'd think I'd have it down to a science by now, but I don't. But what you're going to do is we're going to slide this in. Now I'm going to almost totally, I'm going to have to totally invert this somehow. So we're going to do this kind of off camera. I'll just talk as I do it. The cursing you hear will be me as I drop the SIM card again. Thank God it's bright orange. Nothing in the world is or should be this difficult. We're going to try one some more down this way. Okay, that time I got it. And it looks like she'll slide right in. Boom, we're in. All right, let's fire it up. We're coming back up. I'm coming up. Yeah, okay, I probably shouldn't sing. And then at first it's going to say no service, and then it's going to pop up and say AT&T. Eventually. We'll see the 4G LTE. Eventually. And no service. Oh, boom. AT&T, just like that. And we're using SIM 2 because word of warning here. If you, yeah, there's a Wi-Fi network available. No kidding. If you just want to check the thickness on it and try to insert it, You'll notice I'm missing one of the spring pins over here because I ripped it right off the board because I slid it all the way in and it got hooked. Don't do that. Make sure you've got a SIM card in there. It does work. It'll make phone calls. I can send emails, whatever. We're getting, looks like, there we go. We've got LTE. Woohoo. So, it works. And we're going to shut it back off, and I'm going to put it back in the G3 here. So I can finish the day out. I got some other videos I want to do, and it is not easy. You got to be, well, pretty. If you have trouble with it popping up and out, you can use that little SIM ejection tool. It's kind of a pusher downer and forward. You don't want it to get hooked over anything. You want the SIM card in there, and that way you get a smooth surface. And now we're going to just pull her back out like so. Nothing to it. And that's that. I don't know what all these notifications are. We don't care. Yeah. And of course, this stuff just flies everywhere. It doesn't weigh nothing. So you put those in there. You set this back in, and it'll press down on all of them. Yay! And then you flip it over. And slide her back in there. Now, all your little adapters, your nano to micro, your micro to full size, and or nano to full size, and your micro to full size. They're all right there. Perfect. We're good to go. And that's that. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later today with another video on a new reviewer I trust. Thanks. Oh, and look in the description right down here, or at the icon. Click on subscribe, click the bell, and give us one of them. Thank you. Have a great day.